All right. Sorry. Y'all know I get it. I get excited to unbox some curriculum. So today I have got some boxes from Christian Light Education, and let's see what goodies I got. Hey girly, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones, and on this channel I talk about homeschooling, biblical marriage, biblical homemaking, biblical parenting, and biblical womanhood. And thank you for being here. Let's jump in. Today's a good day. I am so excited. I've been waiting for these for a little bit. That's not true. It's been like a week, but you know, when you order the stuff, it's like you expect it to be in your hand right away. Which is not the way that this works out. It's not the way that it works out. All right, so I've got a bunch of stuff in here for all grade levels, for all 4 of my kids' grade levels. So let's jump right in. So for first thing I pulled out is the Rod and Staff. Rod and Staff and CLE work together, or they're a part of the same company or something, because they've got these Rod and Staff books, which I love. These Rod and Staff workbook activity books are for 3 to 4-year-olds. So my littlest is going to be turning 3 in October. So this is not for her for right now. This is for her probably sometime after her birthday, because she's got some curriculum that she's doing right now. So I'll come out, or that she's doing for the new school year. So I'll come out with her curriculum picks in a video later on. But for right now, I went ahead and grabbed it already, since I was already going to be ordering. And so these books I did with my current 4-year-old when he was 2 going on 3. And I just love them. I just love how simple they are. I love how it is about following directions, and it's about learning left to right, and it's simple tracing and simple things like that. Like, I find it to just be so cute. You know, it's not full of color or anything like that. It's not too distracting. And for their age group, it's so age appropriate. Now, it starts off with about 3, then it goes on to bigger steps, which it's a little more, you know, a little more. This one is a little more stuff in comparison to the other one. And then it goes on to color, count, and cut. I love this one. This was my absolute favorite one, because it teaches them their colors, like how to read the word for the colors. So like red, you know, so it teaches them, whenever you see this sign says red. And so then it begins to take away the sign. So you see that big yellow inside the triangle. And so then they're able to identify just the yellow and stuff like that. We practice coloring in the lines and coloring things proper. And we just go through all the different colors and assigning a shape to that color. We practice handwriting, all the things. It's a very cute, cute stage, ending with Doing My Best, which is definitely a preschool activity book. I wouldn't expect to be doing this till like the next, maybe March of next year, like a year from today, because it's a little more detailed in the tracing and things like that. So I got that for my K3-er, my 3-year-old, my up and coming 3-year-old. She'll be 3 by the time we use it. Next thing I got is this one. I'm super excited about my level 2 math light units. Now I did a whole flip through of, I believe, level 1 and level 2 and level 3. So I'll link that up above for you. It's a very detailed flip through of the inside of these books. My oldest has already been through all these light units, and he zoomed through them because they were pretty young for him at the time when he did them. But my incoming, or my rising, I think it's rising, my rising 3rd grader is going to be doing level 2 as well. And yes, Yes, you can do, you know, level 3 for 3rd grade. But we started this when she was in the 2nd grade, and I wanted her to start with at foundational, you know, at the level 1, and she did excellent through level 1. I just recently tested her, and she tested on a 3rd grade level, having done the level 1 math. So I recently did a standardized test for her. So with her doing level 2, I know that she's gonna be just fine. You know, it's not too young for her. Plus, these are a little more advanced. I would say like they're about a grade ahead when it comes to math. Now, the next thing I have for you here is, oh, I picked up a counting chart. Now, they do have this, I want to say, in the teacher's guide, and you can make this yourself. It's just a simple counting chart. But because I have 2 children using it, and they're always asking me for rulers and all the things, and it was like, I want to say like $1.50. Yeah, it was $1.50. So I grabbed one of these just to have one that is solid and available for them when it comes to doing the different countings and different things like that. And it's small and compact. At the bottom here, they've got a ruler. They've got one that is 0 to 6 inches, and then one that's millimeters on the other side. So grab the counting chart, and that will be for my my 6th grader and my 3rd grader. Now, for my up and coming 6th grader, he's going to be doing the level 4 of CLE. Like I said, I recently tested my children. He's done the level 2 and the level 3 last year. So he did 2 levels in 1 year, and which is not the norm, he did more than 1 lesson a day. But all that to say, when I tested him based off of a standardized testing, he tested at a 5th grade level for math. So he tested fine. So that's just to say that like it's pretty advanced, the math concepts that are taught, but we do a lot of different math. So I don't know. We do a lot of different math. I'm a math person. The kids like it. So, well, I don't know if they like it, but they don't complain. Yes. But anyway, so we're going to be doing level 4 for him. So I grabbed all the level 4 light units. The thing about the level 2, because I already had the level 2 teacher's guide, I didn't have to grab teacher's guide again. I just needed to grab the light units. So by level 4, this is our first time doing it as a family. So I had to grab the teacher's guide to go along with it. It's thick. This is just 401, 401 to 405. Level 3, honestly, the teacher's guide is just answer sheet. There is not, I'm sorry, level 3 and level 4. The teacher's guide is just a glorified answer sheet. Like, there's not much to teach them that isn't in their light units. So if you're like really good at math and you don't mind, no, because there's like dictation that they tell you to do. And so like for the dictation aspect of it, the teacher's guide is helpful because you know what numbers to tell them and stuff like that. But aside from that, it's just pretty much like answer key. I don't know if you can see that, and places for you to write notes, you know? So that's the level 401 to 405 and 406 to 410 is the second teacher's guide. I have not done a flip through of the level 4 light units because this is our first time getting it. Like I said, if you would like a detailed flip through of the level 4 light units, let me know and I will get that done. Like if there's like a need that like everybody wants to see what's in it, I will do it. But like I said, I've done level 1, level 2, and level 3, and I will link that video in my description for you guys. Now, this one I'm so excited for. I got my Bubba, my incoming kindergartner. We are planning on doing the PALS program with him from IEW, which we're pretty excited about. But prior to starting the PALS program, starting from now until August when we start, we are going to be doing the Christian Light Education Kindergarten Level 1 program. Now, they've got workbooks or like little light units for them. They've got about, the kindergarten level 1 is 5 light units. And what I'm most excited about, it's not the difficulty, because it's not difficult, you know, but it's the following of direction and teaching proper skills that I'm really looking forward to. Such as, you know, we color from left to right, and how we introduce ourselves, and manners and different things like that. That is the richness that we are looking for, and I am so excited about. So I went ahead and got the kindergarten 1 through 5 light units or workbooks, as well as the teacher's guide. Now, the teacher's guide gives you all the instructions and stories and directions that you need to give to your student, as well as the answers. I don't know why you would need the answers, but that is in there too. If you want to see a flip through of the kindergarten 1, let me know in the comments as well. I also got him, because I know he's gonna breeze through that. I know he's gonna breeze through those 5 light units. So I also got him the kindergarten workbook, the kindergarten 2 as well. Now, the kindergarten 2 is also 5 workbooks, 5 light units, and it's just, you know, more advanced version of the kindergarten 1. So I am super excited to work with him, to work through that over the next couple of months. This is the teacher's guide for the kindergarten 2. It's gonna be amazing. I'm really, really excited for him. Really excited to get started on that. We might even start tomorrow. No, yeah, we're gonna start tomorrow. We're gonna start tomorrow. The last thing that I got was the math reference chart. So I got the counting chart and the math reference chart. Now, they've been using like a piece of paper, because the math reference chart is inside of the teacher's guide. And so I just copied it, and that's what they've been using, but that paper's been through a lot. And so same thing, I think this is about $3 or $3.25. So I went ahead and grabbed this as well for them to use. And like it says, it's a reference chart. So you've got a multiplication table, you've got something about division and how you utilize multiplication to help turn into division, the names of the different multiplication names, like factor and product, different things like that, fractions, addition, all the things. Down here, you've got a number line. Over here on the side, you've got a ruler from 0 to 10 inches. Over here on this side, millimeters and centimeters, all the things. You've got metrics. Now, that's the big one that they utilize a lot. To be honest, I don't even have all the metrics memorized. So metrics and units of measure, time, the abbreviation for time for days of the week, days in the month, what the hours equal to or what times equal to. So 60 seconds equal 1 minute, 60 minutes equal 1 hour, those different types of things, and different things when it comes to geometry. Now, this reference chart is good from level 2 to level 6. So it's not something that I have to buy again, or I don't need a new one when we move up a level. So as a one-time $3 purchase, I mean, I guess I could have laminated it myself, but it wouldn't be colorful. So that is what I got from Christian Light Education. Like I said, if you want to see a flip through of the kindergarten curriculum, the level 1 and 2, or a flip through of the math level 4, let me know in the comments. And until next time, bye.